Today we're making pasta, but not just any pasta dish. We're making an easy, cheesy pasta. And best of all, it's gluten-free. Coming up. Hey, howdy folks, Raquel Castillo-Olsey here with Happy Healthy People, helping you go farther and quicker in healing yourself naturally. And today we're making a pasta dish that I'm sure will be a hit in your house, like it is in mine. I'm talking about an easy, cheesy, gluten-free spaghetti dish that makes a great side dish or main dish. I got this recipe from my kid's grandma many moons ago. So over here we call it Grandma Nani's spaghetti. We like to serve it mainly at Thanksgiving and Christmas. But this dish also goes great at family cookouts and barbecues. My kids don't all have similar tastes. But one thing everyone in my family agrees on is this dish must be included whenever there's a get-together. And we think you're gonna love it too. Here's what you're gonna need. 1 box of gluten-free spaghetti, 2 or more cups of shredded mozzarella or Monterey Jack cheese, approximately 1/4 cup organic tomato sauce, 2 dashes of garlic powder or garlic salt, 1 stick of butter, and a large pan about 13 by 9. We talk a lot here about avoiding gluten and genetically modified corn due to the net negative effects on your body. So when we found that Barilla made gluten-free pasta and it was made with non-GMO corn, we were just in awe. I think Barilla really nailed the pasta taste with this one. I'm also happy about this Hunt's Natural Tomato Sauce being non-GMO as well. Now, neither of these brands sponsor this video, but for this dish, we recommend the Barilla brand and the Hunt's Tomato Sauce with the non-GMO labels if you can find it. Now, let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the gluten-free spaghetti until the pasta becomes al dente. I add salt to the water. The box says 10 minutes, but it was more like 15 to 17 minutes. Before the pasta is finished cooking, slice about half of the stick of butter and place it at the bottom of the pan. Once the pasta is finished cooking, check to make sure it is al dente, then drain it and place about half of the spaghetti in the pan on top of the butter. Next, splash about half of the tomato sauce onto the pasta, then take the garlic powder, give it 2 robust dashes. Use more if you like it really garlicky. Now, add a layer of the shredded cheese covering the top of the pasta. Now, we are going to repeat the process by slicing the rest of the butter and placing it on top of the cheese, then adding the rest of the pasta, then next adding the rest of the tomato sauce, and finally 1 last layer of cheese. Now pop the dish in the oven and bake for approximately 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, pull the dish out and toss the pasta for a bit, making sure all the cheese and tomato sauce is mixed well. Place it back in the oven for about another 3 to 5 minutes. Then take it out and serve it hot while the cheese is nice and melted and gooey. And there you have it, a delicious, simple pasta dish that's easy and cheesy with only 5 ingredients and has no gluten, no oils, no genetically modified ingredients, and none of the other 12 bad foods in it. And the best part is, you can't even tell you're eating gluten-free pasta versus the regular semolina flour pasta. It tastes that good. Folks, if you're looking for a simple program that helps you avoid the 12 bad foods and puts you on the path to better your health, it's all available for you over at happyhealthypeople.net. And if you found this video helpful, leave your comments and thumbs up below. Let us know what you want us to cover or cook next. We'll do that for you in the days and weeks ahead. And if you haven't done it already, please make sure you click subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video when we put one out. So thanks for checking out this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Until next time, Happy Healthy People is helping you go farther and quicker in healing yourself naturally. Keep moving forward, and we'll talk soon.